In this video I'm going to show you how to enter the length and height of objects. I show you how to use units and the calculator directly for data input. At first, let's check the project units. The units for length are set to feet and fractional inches. That means when I want to create a wall that is 10 feet and 6 inches long, I can type in the length with the units. But because the project units are set to feet and inches, you can just enter 10 space 6, which is much faster. You can use other units than the project units for input. If you need to model a wall which is 5 meter long, just type in 5 meter. You can use any other unit, like millimeters. It is even possible to make calculations. Start the input with the equal sign. Revit will make the calculation directly at input. I would like to highlight that you can even use different units in such a calculation. You can use these input options for any input, not just for length. This is an example for the height of walls. You can also use it to change the height of the points in a floor. If you don't want to miss my next tips and tricks video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.